Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for choosing us. Hey, GH Live Studio. Yadin Sempanam, Yadin Yanano, Esumo, Ewa Guri Coin, so now Yakoyanim, various updates, Eddie Animha, and we a dinner one, Yadimao. Na when you're there, Eddie Akoyanim, but I wish someone say, na ya bob on summer air, but a transfer, and come more Eddie Yanim Sir Kotoko, South Africa, dear, I a home command and correspondent, Eddie Team Nature. One team no and a idea kwaniaban some kakra hono ani nyina na positivity yare some more na eno achi be di South Africa nkomo ye na yasa toa so nso akwa akọhwe Kotoko achija players ahodo bi nso omudi sai emerge Kotoko edi omachi na players Kotoko ja omo nso say na ho nkomo esitie any other host of stories yare ema wo na Stephen Amanko na nso Enya ni deal or this Smoha FC ekwa kusi akan yemfa no nhyase Egyptian Premier League ni mu no Smoha ehonom na Steven Amankona ekwa akosan anase nyimfie miensa contract no wore team so a former Santi Kotoko player Brekum Chelsea wokwa akodi ni nkwi de ama wo no enchemu kakra esi ade tuja de ma ye na tiefo ewo mu na ere yenim sa teams a odo no so ye transfer ye be shada baso aba be boso de ama ba Kotoko South Africa de na South Africa ya Kotoko way one aye one first major training na ehun sam kakra kranso ede anim wa ha ye ba be footage ede amo ahwe ne mu report ni nyina no so ye de ato anim e wombara sana no yemfa nto anim se hat focus so woman center back Ali Mohammed na wie on a 2-year contract Benito say Arena has players here 2 years nkwa and almost inside me pacho and also eyomo policy a player we see akama Tamale City Accra Lions, Vision FC, na Ash Goda, and also Ancient Muka Creto Jaisi at the Tuja, Emma Yenati for the Fontaine Thames. But aside of Santa Kotoko, and so a training Cassia was South Africa, Memono, young fan two and him say a broad transfer window, no Babasha, and the two and him say Kotoko, ever per wingers, I would be Yenya Bia, but a chair young fan two and him say as a Kasana call from now, and the two players are, and now you Ray and Saka, and it said. Kotoko anyone entourage and answer one camp 18 komono mebacho yemfa emiemu emfa player that screen sui national under 20 player we see akan and also see akan na no ada e de ema Kumasi High School and of course tima your friend is saying Swatreman ni din e de Apetobo Foster Apetobo na oye player bia ya de ni to picture so a ubehu ba bia wada ni fa so e wa midfield ho Wujana utimi anya doa tenten wadwuma kɔ nanim ema bibia timi ekoso a eno na yede na to pitch na so dia man Foster Apetobo na utwema match bosom ne de nkan afim pim mienu ne nwɔtwe na na ofo wo next 17 good years and Foster so yesi nkomo kɔ so earlier of the season no ye bi a window no mu na dia tetia ne say nyo no nko ne 2 players Ena Kotoko report and penyufo asha sie a place ko a womo ne omo nkomo no asa asha sie biem na yenim so mbefa mu baako anase enei omofo mienu nyina nam so mienu nyina no was 10th with enei under 20 ena afen sunsu atreman bobokuo no player ya kana sami esia kan edema high school senior high school na enye ketua na Afri Premier League boy ya so atreman Womo efri mono anasa wananto aso bia mono obo as many as 21 matches na enshada enye fedi agro experience e wo league nim de wo enju ka kan league experience ya wanya nyina eboma okita bese matches babro bese dionu mienu kwada dionu miensa so as many as bese 820 minutes and one clock e wo ne video mu what they ama the various club and they waje penny I represent you omo 17-year-old guy na pitch na so ba bi odano ene indicate e de amount na ne yese Kotoko ne camp ene Kotoko ahye nkomase eno etia wa kakra de so mo na yakọ yenim yanto so na yemfa nsempa ne bi hu kiu de etie ene player ya do ne so din de Benjamin Chivanyo na Chivanyo I think or captain under 17 yes under 17 boboko no so or captain omo currently utwemu a under 20 so ehonso odin nkwiye papa obo great Olympics and afensu atreman bobokuo no na akwadai nso de yetsetie and it's a Sadia Foster Apetobo wɔno nso ne deɛ no ɛkɔ animu no anasa kasa ahyɛ aseɛ no in as much as the entire Kotoko team no dodoɔ no ani ha ɔmo nyinaa kɔ akɔpie mu ɛwɔ bea ɛfrɛ no sɛ Durban, South Africa precisely nanso ɛno ɛnsi kɔɔyɛ ho ɛna ɛno nso ɛnkyerɛ sɛ daily affair nkɔmɔ a ɛsɛ Kotoko adie ɛboa ma team nifa ne nkankorɔ no wɔn bɛ stop nti ɛsɛ de 2 players a yɛde wɔn mfo nya to adeɛ so a wɔde nkan Foster deɛ no krakye aduru so nso yɛ Benjamin Sivanyo yes ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a ɔwura si to enim akwadaa yie papa nkɔmɔ no yɛse asante nya na nko ɔpɛ na wɔtumi aba bɛsi akan ɛde ama wɔn yɛnhwɛ baabi a kasa no bɛkɔ akɔduru na yɛde ho sunsuanso nso aba abɛto anim eva 3 youngsters nyinaa age no wɔ fam sɛdeɛ yɛde nkankan Foster deɛ no 17 years ɛna Benjamin Sivanyo wɔn nso ɛdeɛ no ɛyɛ 17 years July 28 yɛ aka nafua kakra bi na wɔnya 17 a ɛno nso ɛntwemu kakra na sɛdeɛ meka Great Olympics nso atreman ɛde wɔsi aka deɛ amom na national under 17 captain nano adan so otimi ɛboa ɛbɔyɛ a wɔde ama national team no experience deɛ ɛba juvenile side na obi na yɛmfa nto anim sɛ okɔ pitch no nso a ɔno nso ɛyɛ right winger nifa mfa so wɔ no mo sɛdeɛ Kuchila tama left back asiedu try hɔ no definitely lem so nya baako ehuki wo ma hɔ no hɔ a ɛbɛboa ne yie no nso yɛnkyɛmu kakra atete ade to anim enti sɛdeɛ kasa na hyase akodro bia no emu nkyɛmu duru na yɛtoko do so a yɛde bɛba abɛto anim na nso wanya ɔkyɛfa ɛde afrimti it's likely sɛ Asante Kotoko it's either Foster anaasɛ Benjamin Sivanyo no ɛso munya mu baako but ebi nso a wɔn nyane mmienu nyinaa nso a ɛne nam dodo hɔ ɛnsɛn kwan but yɛmfa wɔn to anim sɛ krakye friend sɛ Donzo eguso Asante Kotoko clubhouse hɔ nom a ne daily routine hɔ asa wɔtwɛn mpanyinfo anaasɛ ɔtwɛn entire squad no sɛ nyame boa Sunday Monday wɔn bɛba bɛduru Kumasi back no ɔsɔre anɔpa a ɔyɛ gym work kakra ɛwɔ efie hɔ nom na afei ɔne under 20 team no nyɛ ɔno nko ti na edu ablɔ ɛna afei nso anuanom outdoor under 20 team no ɛne new under 17 players wɔn afa wɔn no wɔn ka bom training kama sɛnea ɛbɛyɔ na afei nneɛma atumi atu mpɔn ɛde ama wɔn na head coach a sesei wɔhyɛ akyire ɛde ama under 20 ɛna afei nso players ɛka senior side no ho a eprado koro wɔn nti wɔn nso ahyɛ mirikatu aseɛ no ɛyɛ coach Emmanuel Akwasikusi wɔn taa fɛ no sɛ wuti ɔno ɛna ɛde under 20 team no ɛyɛ training na ɛnɛ yɛka Donzo nom ne ti na edu ne ablɔ nom ɛnso tumrika kakra aboa ma bibia tumi akɔ so ɛno kakra de to anim ɛwɔ mu now yɛnya adwuma wei ɛmfa ɛma Asante Kotoko wɔn yɛ training a ɛdi nkan ɛnɛ that is South Africa time wɔnom baabi bɛɛ nnɔmmiɛnsa so hɔ na mepakyɛ bra ɔmo free bia yɛfrɛ wɔn sɛ Protea Hotel Fire and Ice wɔ pie no driver South Africa mpanyinfo so ma no a ɔkɔfa team no ɛna ɔda hɔ saa na ɔhwɛ South Africa ni a oni mo makra no na ɛkwan bia so ne deɛ no tal hɔ kakra enti wohwɛ mu a nei yɛdi nkan ma area view drone view of the place Asante Kotoko ɛkɔyɛ training no ɛkyena nso wɔn bɛha yɛ ano bɛkɔ akɔyɛ training but yɛmfa wɔn to anime na yɛmfa ma ntɛntɛm so yɛpɛ sɛ unya ne ntenka ne nyinaa na aha nom yɛ hen aha yɛfrɛ no George Campbell School of Technology George Campbell School of Technology ɛwɔ South Africa yes 261 Sylvester Ntuli Road Stamford Hill Durban 4025 South Africa anom ɛna Asante Kotoko ɛkɔyɛ training sɛ tie biem address to this place you know A261 Sylvester Ntuli Road yes sir and SCT Stamford Hill enti Kotoko every Mulanga and a training ewa Ntuli Hill one ma and also yenchemu kakra de ma wo na wanya ochefa ewom school ni school na Kotoko ye mu training and then no yes and also any picture no and a daso kama bibia no e de the din ewo mu ene yare eso ba kum yenu miensa na wanya ochefa e de every mu no yes crab ya ma poma metema Asante Kotoko ansana na training be hyase no and a justice to it na ebra training so hyase no pictures how do it to dwane bie and I yade esomo kama ewo mu no e de free mu eba ewo mu nti from Protea Hotel ho a wo mu eda Durban bia friends Mulanga to bia your friend say George Campbell School of Technology o drive a 16 minutes let's go to etna bus him 16 minutes and a free on hotel Protea Hotel Fire and Ice or Mlanga and on drive 16 minutes at the bar Hanum eba ebe training na which may 15 kilometers per and a woman HIA Euma and no Eddie to Ja ama in a tier 4 Ewomo and Timo when him South Africa Kakrano over far baby a friend has some Sita Dental Practice Road na odi ababesi Durban Nota na Remo La Lucia na odi ba na wababesi North Beach na Stamford Hill ni hanom ena Kotoko eba ebe train na bibiano ekosoro hospital kese bi won chen your friend Morningside and also kakra hasim practice yede tudwa ama ye na tiefo e wo honom nti dental hospital bi a e wo ba bi akotoko ye training no and also hu kwi kakra ye te e the amount to school no munie na Kotoko mpanyimfo atitire ne anintire owura akoto yes administrative fantastic manager and afen so ya de nyina na penkra yes nana and aboni cooling heart kakra kama bibia na ekoso no South Africa ni na team finfio ntinye ntinye video dia and ye jampo akoye nana ho na penkra ni and owura sanso nyina ono so ni new portfolio wanyanya gro a omu nyina no te onom eboa ma santim puntuo no ewie peye ewo munti after training pepe and it was very intensive according to your reporter no almost had drive 16 minutes drive back from George Campbell School of Technology and omodibe PMO LBI friends say Protea Hotel and also by way of information yade ma kakra na bibia tumi akoso ewo mu a obi be bisa say kizito de ana behind the scenes story no ya me there says so ema me biem Messi school no George Campbell School of Technology baby akotoko training no na me pacha wa South Africa da public high school na almost specializing in technical education na bia Ghana yemfa to say KTIB anase Kwatek anase school bia wo mu aye wo technology nsam ni ade ba technical so etua to ye papa ewo mu a eno ewo KwaZulu Natal Durban ho no ye nchemu kakra yade ma ye tiefo school ya ho se Haruna Aziz Ziza chomo pictures on 1963 and omusi school no yanko obiem edoson but information no adewa but en concentrate Kotoko home farmer wa me ba training akoso it was very intensive said everybody in Kankano according to your reporter Sylvester Mane na bibia timi akoso kama slide the Superman rumor man and the school more students ni bi twan share Kotoko training kakra sa pepe ena esitia no so enche mu a yede for ewo mu sa na eniema esi eko no ma enye fedi agrokranti asante ena na etinitini pom ewo bia ye friend say chese technology kese wo Durban hanuma George Campbell ni school no training etimi eko so kama bibia no super fantastic yes so Zito ene owura ye friend say Hamza Oben any of a Prince Usunom and my very intensive training na tactical bibia eda dana kwem ewumu anema etumpon ba yemfa wen somwo say adumi dumia no miensa edatina 3 p.m. South Africa time that is ebia Ghana time 1 p.m. echuna me bacho training ebesa akoso e was same venue George Campbell School of Technology na Kotoko besa drive 16 minutes and the aba pi ha ama training no etimi akoso no injury and akoso Kwame Poku ene central for di nkomo kakra ne ade anti eno de minim se emanim sem ewo mu a o se omo stress kakra wa kwantu kese omu tu ye ni mu na omunim se omo kwa kopiem obia e friend se SC no a ebi omu dru Joburg ananka no an but says yes ade yi kakra paso okasai training grounds wo yentie kakra
It's a very long distance. Our flight from we even took bus from Kumasi to Accra, and we took a flight. And when we got to Johannesburg, we have to take another flight to Durban. So indeed, the journey was very stressful to us.
Okay. And then my first training, intensity was short to be up. Yeah, expected
we all know we are Asante Kotoko, and Asante Kotoko is one of the biggest clubs in Africa. That is undoubtedly. So ahead of every game, we try to do what we want to win every game for ourselves and then to our supporters. So we want to win coming Saturday to make our supporters very happy.
Kwame, and I'm sorry I always say Kaiser Chiefs score Netherlands could prepare before Sunday. Last time we shoot for so many break plan. A bit of pressure between us.
We have been monitoring them from a distance, and they are the last game. I think we watched some of it. So looking forward to the coming game Saturday. We also try to surprise them because maybe I'm sure they will underrate us, but at the end, it's football and anything can happen. So we do as much as possible to surprise them this coming Saturday.
Since you are scoring all the crucial games that offer, are you scoring coming Saturday?
For that one, I can't predict because the hard work is coming from my teammates. They have been contributing to make the team very successful. So going forward, if they are being able to cook for me, and then I promise I'll deliver as they want.
Became Black Stars. Is this another opportunity to say over cementing place and games like this?
You never know what the future holds, and I'm a player. I take it game by game. So this is a game that I want to play and play well. So if I'm given the opportunity, I'll try to put out the best performance so that I don't know if I'll still have opportunity in the Blasters, and then I keep the momentum high.
New players should be a first-time travelers. How and more get on board new players are minimum. Again, I'm more level.
We are trying to socialize with them to bring them together as a team. And we also last night we did a almost night with them. We all danced at least just to keep smiling and then to throw out all the shyness and then to keep unity in it. And that is what we are doing for now, so that we bring each and everyone together with ourselves.
You say we'll be for part of our preseason Towards Confederations Cup. High-profile games, a Buamo as players.
Oh yeah. Like it's built your confidence. It's the intensity of the game is always high. So it helps you individually and then the team. So I think this game will help us a lot.
You share has before some of her. I'm a lot of confidence.
Oh yeah. It's our debut game. We always want to win, and beating them at least our confidence at the highest level. So I think it has already motivated us. So we want to do better in the next game.
Message to the supporters.
You do very well for them. You try to win the game, and we know it's a very tough game. And Kaiser Chiefs is undoubtedly one of the biggest clubs in Africa, and I wish them well. But we are Kotoko, and then we have to win. So we pray that this coming Saturday we have our day and then win the cup.
Okay, Kwame Beye Poku Nedie Aore Atuja. Right after say any training Ehonsem and I Hutu Kama live from Bia friend say George Campbell school Honum and Akotokoya training area and also Chimuka credit to Ja Ediama in a tier for Ewomo. But then for when some BM say tournament and I say sorry, cup game I Kwako Bueno, Mebacho Kaiser Chief and rather one players and also Ekushia Mo Omni Toyota are more and prize sponsors for this game. To Jano na yenche woman in a team for self players and the entire staff and what Durban Juma Toyota and a Kokushia both former players and current players and the workers and some supporters selected Omaya Raffo near the Eddie Amawomo and a Ekushia and also Kakra Yadema in a tier for almost a training once a day na Bibia to Jachina almost a training after training almost our activities can see about Ombesi Chrome any a day, any on France, na a couple of activities bia and no air kakra no so a free Kaiser Chief as well opponent watch yeah the Emma wo ewomo obi bisa say a day and a tournament my information kakra Toyota Cup me pacho ye tie nyina and say a pre-season game Toyota South Africa woman paying for any Boboko Kaiser Chief assign contractor afibia na eso mo bona. This is the second edition where you Miensa contract, TDA Mami, in Miensa contract, and a Kaiser Chief, any team and I say, Jumakwa from one said Toyota, South Africa, assigns our contract, na contract, Munchemuni say, as a precision biano, Toyota, Fuanobua, Emma, and a Womatonsa, and the freight team before Bibremo, yeah, dear, now Omone Kaiser Chief, about game, the trophy, so now Omo their own very new car. Maye South Africa ho into a Toyota a Dana Kotoko any Kaiser Chief Ebono one more very new car one more pack for front to Macra no and can so that is no ancient mukakra. Yet to jump say 3 years contract. In Kotoko, no first, second one where we are. Next time also the hour. And then so make you team for Frana Simple. A bit in Kotoko now, no better turns out from no more. And the about first edition, no, a basso, Bloemfontein, Free State area, yes, Bloemfontein, and a bass, or Mone Simba from Tanzania. And a boy, no ancient mukakra, yet to Jama in a tier 20. This is the second edition. I know so, Kakra, I said some more, not yet twaso, and the court, your name, Ewa Munti. Pictures are always Kaiser Chief, Timno, one more, any one former players, and current players, and also Ekoko Shiamu, and one some Kakra, and I had the to Ja amount. Last time I Kotoko, South Africa, any Kaiser Chief, a boy, it was Vodacom Challenge Cup. That was the year 2001 final. Not your born or Absa Park, and also I think it was in Durban, and no your Absa Park, and your born no na final no Kotoko Kaiser Chief about 0-0, and a Kaiser Chief 3-2 a share Kotoko on penalties and no ancient muna earlier on no na and a can Kotoko didn't kind of game on the Orlando Pirates at the Atata so mua and no a 1-1 Joe Lewis and a share go and a take a Brana Villakazi. At what na first minute, Ediamo Orlando Pirates. Na Sante Kotoko take Joe Lewis 81st minute. We any couple of penalties. Na penalty muna Kotoko so etwa so Edin Kunima on 4-2 on penalties. Any edi kochia team and friends Kaiser Chief. That time so na Kaiser Chief ache has folk etwa 1-0 and no Ntembu na share go 28 minutes. And odi tia has folk for 90 has any bobokwa ye fra one say Orlando Paris and a couple of third place and no ancient it told ya yes, third place no. It was between Bobo Kwaya front say Hearts of Folk and I think so Orlando Paris and no air kakra any two drama in a team for a woman thing say BB San a cocoya but fine I know the Kaiser Chief for a chair and a modern nomie penalties quite so and no me Kaiser goalkeepers which is Louis Quinn that namu players binuma me kaka omo I think Godfrey Yabua Bobby or Reba a branch here or say Kwame nom onu film so a bam from Paul Dro and I think Alasa and Louis Joe Louis nom near there ABC I can what's nice now me kind memory serve me right Kaiser Chief was that no more legend players which say Kabu Kenny Zweni nom any Maselele mo and have Frederick Sito mo any idea na nyake to anzama ni balo ye ni mabede any goldstone tembe matebule wo mu nyina sia kan ni bia na nyake to akra ne breko akom so ko na atuntwa ho na mom dia duru so kwampoku mo esam so mo ye mo record na mo to aso this trophy di bafie na ye beto aso na ye share teams na aka no na bibia fa no ntuma pa efra wo mo ye mpesa be wa pinti on this very episode we anwumre there for your dinner for who kill na bibia no entimi because we did Derek Saint Kizito. Thank you so much for watching.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?